Hey friend, I have just got to the age where, you know what? I want to have things that work for me. I really don't care about names, things like that. I just want it to work good. So this was sent to me by the manufacturer just so I could show you, tell you what I think about it. This messenger phone crossbody. It's got two different straps on it so you can get the wristlet. Really like that. And then I'm pretty tall, but it's still got a very long adjustable strap on this. I just got this. So I always look at the stitching, and this stitching looks really good. The other thing I like about this is it's got these like magnet clasps. They stick together like that. Because when I'm out, I know cards are great, and I know the phone cases with just the credit card spots are wonderful, but I still carry things with me. So this has a nice zipper pocket, nice zipper on it too, really high quality. And then this, the pocket in the front. Love that. Snaps together. Plenty of card spaces, more card space, and then another spot too for more money. So this is exactly what I happen to be looking for. So I think this is going to work great. Got the crossbody, but also comes with a wristlet with these nice riveted eyes. So you can put that in there. And yeah, I'm really excited. I think this is going to work perfectly.